Welcome back to our video tutorial series. Today, we'll guide you through the process of deleting your Snapchat account. If you've decided to move on from Snapchat or take a break, we're here to help you with the step-by-step process. Let's get started. The first step is to open the Snapchat app on your device. Once the app is open, locate your profile by tapping on your profile picture in the top left corner. Now, in your profile section, look for the gear icon. This will take you to your Snapchat settings. Within your Snapchat settings, scroll down until you find the I Need Help button. Tap on it to proceed. In the Help section, you'll see a search box. Type Delete My Account in the search box and tap on it to proceed. If you're using an iOS device, you can follow the tutorial provided in the Snapchat guide. However, if you're using an Android device, please tap on the account portal link right here. To continue with the account deletion process, you'll be prompted to re-enter your password for security reasons. Please enter your password and proceed. Congratulations! Your Snapchat account has now been deactivated. It will remain deactivated for 30 days and will be automatically deleted thereafter. If you change your mind within this period and want to reactivate your account, simply log back into your account before the 30-day deadline. And that's how you delete your Snapchat account. Remember, deleting your account is a permanent action, so make sure it's what you truly want. We hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.